So, like I said in my last video, guys, I am fighting this rain. If you're in Southwest Florida, you know what I'm talking about. We haven't gone more than an hour or two without rain. It's raining now. It's starting to thunder, so I have to make this a quick review and demonstration video. This is for the 25 cubic foot Amana side-by-side freezer refrigerator. A little panoramic action here. This is an older refrigerator, but I tell you what, anybody that knows anything about stuff knows that the old stuff lasts forever. And I basically just cleaned it and I touched up, painted the handles, and it's ready to go. And even on top, this thing is in very, very, very good shape. So let's go ahead with the video. Now, as I said in my last refrigerator video, I've only had this plugged in a little bit over an hour, about the time it took me to cut my grass. So it's not going to be down to temperature, but more importantly, it will show that the freezer is cooling, the refrigerator is cooling, and I'll try to get in some review stuff for everybody else that might be wanting to buy one of these elsewhere than in Southwest Florida. So we'll start out right here. I'm getting a little sweat dirt on here, I apologize. So the model number on this is SRD25S5W, and the serial number ends in 7059. Now a quick note, on the freezer side, like I did on my last video, it's just a little above 4, which is a factory setting. Fresh fruit is set at 5, which is a little bit above the factory setting. And the reason why that is because that's how I got it, and I didn't want to touch it. I figured they had it right. So on the freezer, well, real quick, this is a review thing. This beverage chiller control, fantastic invention. I don't know why they don't have that on new fridges. I'll explain that in just a little bit. So this does have the ice and the water in the door. The ice dispenser, if you hear it, does work. The water pump works. And then on the inside here, we are at 42.9 degrees. Again, it's only been plugged in an hour. So that's almost at freezing right there. There's really no point in measuring out the refrigerator temperature because, again, I've only had it plugged in for an hour. Now, here's what I wanted to show you that's really, really neat. So this beverage chiller control on the review side, and if you buy this, actually corresponds with this compartment right here, which if you put beverages inside this apartment, whether it be 20-ounce soda bottles, cans of soda, or whatever you're going to put in there, this actually comes right over from the freezer. So check this out. I'm sticking the probe in here. Watch this thing. It's so neat. It drops. So it is literally like an Arctic blast on my hand. It feels so good. But as you can see, it's dropping the temperature substantially with the door open. And my guess is if I let it sit here for a few minutes, it would probably go down to near freezing. So if you know, this is something that you don't get on newer refrigerators when they actually had a thought. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude the video before we get to 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I thank you for watching. If you buy this particular side-by-side refrigerator from me, I know that you'll get many years of service out of it. The review is it's super quiet for the size. It's a little heavy to move, but it's really nice. So until next time, Captain Underwear out.